Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a really quick update. I went ahead and opened my first response. My first response 6 days sooner, and I haven't tested. These are from, the last one I took was 2 days ago, okay? So I'm gonna show you what these look like. There are these little strips, right? And the first one that I took is actually right here. This, you can see nothing. You see? You really see nothing. And then you can even turn these around and to see if you see something, because it'll be darker on the matte side instead of the glossy side. So nothing. So that was the first one. And then the second one I took, these are a day apart, is this one. And this is the glossy side, the side that you would see in front of the in the stick. And then you turn it around, and if there was a line, you'd see something. And if you see in the back, there's like a little start of something. Like, kind of like at the bottom right here, you see like a pink. Yeah, and the top. So it's like it was starting to come in from the bottom and top and didn't quite meet in the middle. And then next day, which was 2 days ago, was this one. And this one I can clearly see a line. You see the line's right there. That's the glossy side. And when you turn these around, it's a matte side, and you can get more of it, like a better line. You see right there. Looks like 3 lines, but this is just like the ending part. So don't pay attention to that one. Just this one. Okay? So you can clearly see a line on the matte side and the glossy side, and it's even better in person. So that was 2 days ago. I haven't tested since. I'm waiting on my test from Amazon. The Wanflow ones are all negative, nothing. So I don't know if I got a bad batch, because the first response 6 days sooner are coming up with, color lines, and I know they're not evap lines. So what I did is I went ahead and bought the Test 3 Ways, which I know I didn't like it last time, but the Test 3 Ways, which is by first response, a 6 days sooner, the early result, and digital. So we're gonna clear it up. We're gonna clear it up tomorrow, and we're gonna see what's going on, because as far as symptoms, now I get dizzy. So like yesterday I was folding clothes or hanging clothes, and when I went to go put it at the top of the rod to hang it in the closet, I got like super dizzy. I thought I was gonna fall down. So I was like, okay, that happened like the first time I got pregnant without knowing, back in August, but that was in the shower. So I wanted to tell you all this because I don't see many pull apart first response tests and that show you like how you can actually see if you pull apart, like, okay, let me make y'all more crazy. When you pull apart the first response early result, not only can you see a line in the glossy side, but when you turn it around, which I'll show you the one that you can see better, which was the last one I took, when you turn it around, you can see like even darker of a line, because I guess that's where the ink hits first. So yeah, look at that. I feel like that's not an evap line. In regards to when I saw these lines, they were after 10 minutes, because at first when it first came up, I didn't see anything. Like when I took this test that day, 2 days ago, I didn't see any lines. And then when I went back to look at it, I was like, wait, what? And so I took it apart, and you could clearly see a line. Like somewhere there. So let me show you all 3 in order. And I wish I had tape, but all 3 in order are right here, and you can see a kind of a gradient of how it got darker. The last one is the darkest. And that's the glossy side. And the non-glossy side, which is the matte side, you can totally see a line on the last one for sure. Second one's faint, especially on camera. And the first one is basically a no-go. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I've been checking on my apps and stuff to see if I have anybody has posted pictures of these kind and like the time frame and if they were actually pregnant. So I wanted to post it just for reference for anybody that ever tried this and saw a line after the 5-minute mark, but in actual color. So it's kind of controversial. So it doesn't look like an evap line. It has color, but it came up after the 5 minutes, I think it is. Don't quote me. I think it's 5 or 10 minutes. But yes, that's what's going on. I will see y'all tomorrow. I'm going to try to put a video up because I'm getting my test 3 ways. And I think I'm just going to go ahead and test with the 6 day sooner first tomorrow. And then if it's this light, I'm probably not going to do a negative until another 2 days if I can wait. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. See y'all next time. Bye.